We've made excellent progress through the lair today.
Right, let's go off to sleep for another night.
Right.
That's right, Banjo, sleep away. While you sleep, I'll show you a vision of the future! A terrifying future that come to pass in around 10 years, unless I stop you.
Good night, Kazooie.
Good night, Banjo.
I love pizza.
And that was
Campers, I'll kill every last one of you.
Banjo, N&B,
This just in, 90s heroes succumb to obesity. Shut up, radio.
Don't know much, I don't know too much, but I know this shit is fucked up. I guess it's all about the dream. It's justified the means. I'm telling you, shit is fucked up.
Only a head of me remains. Why couldn't I just magic up a body again? I'm bored of COD. Can you take me for a walk?
You do realise you can get out the bag, right?
I think I've become too fat to get out.
Well, I have boobs.
You always wanted boobs though.
Not like this! Grunty?
Banjo? Oh man, you've gone fat. See yourself recently? Obviously not. You blew up my body, you fat turd. Come at me, ho!
Greetings, humans! The hell? I am the Lord of Games, but you can call me Luck, and I am the creator of all video games.
Even Mario's missing?
Even Mario is missing.
Even Superman 64?
What part of all games don't you understand, Birdbrain?
Let me get this straight. You're meant to have created every game, yet you're choosing to ruin our prequel?
There's no such thing as frequel. It's just called sequel.
Don't tell me what words I can and can't use, you tubby moron!
Let's go, Skullface! Oh, for fuck's sake. I've come to sort out your dispute in an original way that all your fans will just loathe. Don't you mean love? I wish I did.
What if I refuse? I like creating levels and hiding jiggies for Banjo to collect.
This is fine. Mumbo will change us back. Here you go. Fine. We'll settle this your way. With a collection challenge. No, no, no. People don't want this. They want yearly repeats of the same crap they bought last year, with DLC that's on the disc, but you still have to pay for it to unlock it. Right, we're going to completely change the concept of this game. Fans love it when they're expecting one thing and get another.
That doesn't sound right.
They also love a lack of the gameplay that they loved in the previous installments. That sounds worse. Listen, I think we've seen enough of the Isle of Hags. Where? So we're going to go somewhere brand new.
No.
I don't want to. I'll change you back if you don't do it.
Fine, at least give me my moves from the first two.
Moves? Where you're going, you won't need moves.
Haha.
Instead, you get vehicles. Vehicles replacing gameplay. Isn't that fun? I quit.
What?
What? This isn't a Banjo-Kazooie game. It's a vehicle game with some recycled characters. But we're moving with what the world wants. If we're moving with what the world wants, then why is Mario still doing so well? Well... And if people don't want games like the last two, then why were they released on Xbox Live? But piss off, log. I'm afraid I can't allow disobedience. What? This is Banjo-Kazooie. Setting things like characters. We're moving with what the world wants. We're moving with what the world wants. Mario's doing well. They don't want games like the last two. Piss off, I'm afraid I can't allow disobedience. Instead, you get vehicles. Vehicles replacing gameplay. Isn't that fun? Sure is, Mr. Log. I hope this is the game we're remembered most for. Good. Oh god.
Are you alright, Banjo?
Horrible nightmare. But I'm okay now.
Good. I won't be able to sleep for the rest of my life. Wait a minute. Something was unsettling about that vision. What the f happened to my butter? That's right, Banjo. Sleep away. Whilst you sleep, I'll show you a vision of the future. Terrifying future where it comes to pass in around 10 years unless you... Fuck. Fuck you, Banjo. Like...